In this video, I'm getting rid of my old tonneau cover and upgrading to the Bestop black Twill tonneau cover for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Django. This new cover matches my Bestop Sunrider, looks really good, works with the rail system, and it's a super easy install. It takes minimal tools, but everything you'll need is in the description of this video. If you use those links, it helps support the channel, so I appreciate that. Let's get this install started. The tonneau cover works with or without a rail system. This is the Teraflex Uinta bed rail system. The heavy-duty anchors have done a great job when I'm on a rough trail with a bed full of gear. Align the front edge of the rail with the inside edge of the bed. Hand tighten the clamp. After everything is aligned correctly, tighten with a 1/2 inch wrench. The front edge of the cover latches into the front of the rail. The provided Allen wrench is used to loosen or tighten the cover if necessary. Click the end screen now to see the Bestop Sunrider install.